Greetings and motherfucking salutations, niggas. As you can hear in my voice, I am happy as hell. Why? Because I am 2 for 2 today. To make life even better, I am 2 for 2 on a funded account. So let me give y'all a rundown. Apex had some discounts. I went ahead and caught me a funded. Why did I caught me a funded? I caught me a few of them, and I passed one of them. And I'm gonna make that my YouTube account. The other ones are still chilling. In the meantime, that's all I'm gonna have them doing is just chilling. So when I blow one, on to the next. I did the math with the discounts. I would have to blow 40 of them bitches for me to realistically lose a good amount of money. So with that being said, I'm cool. As long as I follow my plan and my rules, I should get to the promised land in no time. With that being said, day one was on Thursday of last week. Since it was Thursday of last week, let me run y'all through it. I lost the first trade. I won the second trade. And that resulted in me taking home 60 bucks. Cool. Day two was Friday. I said I was going to place one trade. And if I win that, stopped. Lo and behold, guess what happened? I did not stop. I was going to win 500 and stop, be up 400 bucks. I placed that trade. I won that trade. Conveniently did not stop. And then I lost. And I caught myself before I went full tilt. And just ended the week with minus $500. Cool. Now that being on my mind, because going from positive to negative is ass, I had to go and basically figure out what did I do wrong. And I know what I did wrong. I just ain't follow my rules. Friday is a light trading day. You know, I trade whatever I make, I make. I'm not supposed to try to overextend or do none of this bougie shit. But I did. Alright, case closed. Now let's fast forward to today or last night. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I was looking at. This is what I was looking at. So, this happened 7, 8, 9 o'clock. I wanted price to come back down to here, come back down into here. That's what I was looking for. That would have been my prime entries. Needless to say, that ain't happened. We pushed down. I don't know what we was reacting off of, but we was reacting off of something. I seen a W. I didn't get in here. I missed it. So what I did was I waited for the retest. I got in late. You feel me? I was supposed to get in here, but I got in here. It pulled down, gave me a headache, and that's what y'all are gonna watch. Well, y'all didn't watch the pull down. Y'all can't see that because I forgot to record that part. Now, what am I marking out? 50 ticks, and my TP is at 100. So if it gives me 100, if the volume is there, I'll take 100. It did give 100 today. But if the volume ain't there, we not gonna try and force it. You feel me? Cool. So I was in this trade, came down, pushed up. Nothing too major. Let's go back real quick. So right here, it was pushing up. It started to retest. I started to get concerned. While concerned, I started moving my boxes, moving them around to see what could we bounce off of. I put the box there to see if we could bounce off the swing highs. That's what we started to do. And then this happened. At this point, I was like, bro, what's going on? Look, we back at break even. I know we can retest this W down here. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm down 20 ticks. Starting to reject. And I'm starting to lose confidence in my trade, ladies and gentlemen. Because I'm like, bro, why aren't we flying up? So I'm like, you know what? This is an area of support. We can break down below, but are we going to? No. A few times in here, where was it? Right here, around here. Started to get worried. As you can see, I'm hovering over the close. I even pressed the bitch and held it down to stop myself from doing that. Look, I'm holding it down because I don't want to lose. And I told myself, I said, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and trust the trade. We could break down 5 ticks away from stop loss. I dragged my stop loss up. It's another thing I need to stop doing. I'm hovering over it. I right click to get off because as soon as I let go my clicker, it would have closed it. I said, you know what? I'm going to trust the trade. It breaks the box. It breaks the box. Fuck it. Sure enough, we reject. 5 ticks away from stop loss. I'm still hovering over the close. Trailing my stop now. Stop loss is at 50 ticks.
Order submitted.
Pushes up.
Order filled.
It goes to about 90 ticks. It goes to about 92. And I was going to see if I can grab 100 out of it. But it didn't go. I should have took it at 90. But I wanted to see if it was going to keep going. It kept wicking down. So I wanted to see. I ended up closing at 70, which is $700 in the bag. So now, that $700 completely took over my $500 loss and gave me $200 in profit. That's one trade. See, this was a trade, before I go, this was a trade I was going to take, but it never fully retested. And so with that being said, it just left and I didn't take it. So y'all can see I'm not faking y'all out. Third video, I'm in the negative again. Same type of trade. Supposed to come here, came close, rejected up. Came to this W. I got in a little late. First to get in this brick, got in this brick. Okay, now we're respecting neckline of the W. Cool. Rejected up. At this point, I was getting frustrated because I'm like, yo, why isn't just shooting up? But then I'm looking, I'm like, bro, we're only 23 minutes in. I don't really need to be worried about the trade. I just need to let it play out. And sure enough, it popped. Well, look, so check me out. I got worried here. I was getting upset here. Like, yo, why isn't it this shit going up? It's coming down. But again, Monday is trust your trade Monday, basically. I'm very excited, but I don't want to express it because it's like I still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You feel me? As long as I follow my rules, shit should be straight. But as we can see, hold on. I was waiting. It seemed like we were stuck,
Target filled.
and it jumped up, filled my target, completed my trading day. So 70 ticks plus 50, that's 120 ticks if y'all do the math. So 120 ticks today on gold. We trade other shit, but we don't really trade nothing else much. This is, as you can see, what happened after said trade. So pushed up a little bit higher and then proceeded to break down like nobody's business. It's probably coming down to here. Yep. This is another trade, but like I said, I'm done for today. I ain't really gonna push it. You could take it from here to here or see if it can fly all the way back up. But thank you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We 2 for 2 for today. Just buy gold. Look, look. It's another W that we would have taken right here. As y'all can see, it's literally playing out in front of y'all face. Could have aimed for 50. It's 35. It's 54. And this is how we back test. We don't really go back and back test. Some people do it, but realistically, that's your TP. That's your entry. Stop loss underneath here. So you got a 43 tick stop for a 50 tick gain. And if it keep pushing, because gold is always in a buy trend, you make more. So if you get 80 ticks, it's a 1 to 2. You get 50, it's like a 1 to 1.2. Either or. But right now you up like 30 something. Just off the buy. Had you taken this W, you would have been super up. You would have taken this W, which has happened last night, you would have been super up. So it's just all about market structure and what you need to do and what you need to look for as far as entries go. But you're gonna see my day 2, my day 3, my day 3, my day 4, shit like that, up until I get a payout, and then we start that bitch again. So, like I said, thank you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If gold buy up, y'all see the next video, 29.54, and it'll have been like TP hit, you know. But you gotta know when to call it quits. I'm learning that. I didn't know that before, but I'm learning that. Like, this shit is like crack and make you always want to trade. But now I'm like, listen, when I take these 2-3 trades, I'm done. 2 winners, I'm done. Let me get out the market. A winner, a loser, maybe a winner, I'm done. 2 losers, I'm done. Because I'm risking 40, 50 ticks, sometimes 20, 30, but still, won't need that. Oh, I'm rambling to tell this shit probably hit TP. I'm not in it, but I'm in it. You feel me? So this is me back testing. I'd have been in on a sim account. Follows all my rules. Let's see. I mean, how much are you up now? From here to here, that's 44. So you close to your 50. You literally at your 1-to-1. So if you trade 1-to-1s, you could get the fuck out. You would have got your trade. I'd have been aiming for the 50. Of course, I got to sit through a retest, but I'd have been aiming for the 50. That's all it is. I'm not trying to make it complicated. The more I record these happening, so I can show y'all, the better. You know, we gonna go through and through every setup. You know, if you wanted to be risky, you could have taken this M and ate all of that. Taken this M, ate all of that. Take this, ate this. Like, but I'd have been aiming for 50. Like, I would have ate on that big drop because it would have just automatically shot straight. But gold being in a buy trend, I'd have just been looking for buys. Old me would have took that sell. Especially this one right here. Came up here, tapped that, came bam bam. Yeah, I'd have dropped that. But I thought it was gonna happen quick as hell. You know, in a couple minutes, it's not gonna happen. You would have got your 1-to-1, but if you aiming for 50, you'd have still been waiting. This would have probably been the trade you won. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep saying it so y'all could like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.